I'm sorry. I'm sorry I took it out on you.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay. I had no right to be angry with you. I think I was just angry with myself, mostly. And it's not just about everything that happened today. I mean, it is, but I think it's also the guilt. Blaming myself for everything that happened last year. Everyone that got hurt. Cara, Barney. Maybe I'm selfish, and maybe I'm a liar, and maybe I'm reckless, and I'm obsessive, and maybe I'm okay with doing bad things if I'm the one doing them. And maybe that makes me a hypocrite, and maybe I just bottle everything up inside until it eats me alive. And yeah, maybe the podcast really was just for me, to talk about how I felt, but is that so bad? I'm just tired of feeling guilty about things that aren't my fault. Because it's not my fault that Elliot Ward killed Sal. It's not my fault that Becca let Andy die. It's not my fault I couldn't find Jamie, or that Max walked free. Maybe I'm not a good person, but I don't think I'm the worst either. Maybe there's no way to be good. Not in a world run by people like Max Hastings. I'm so sick of pretending, because this is who I am, and I hope that you're okay with that. Because I love you too.
I know exactly who you are, and I always have done. And I love her. I love you. I said it first, by the way.
Yeah, in anger.
I said it a week ago in my speech. What is that? Blood, paint.
I'll tell you later.